intro by now. Hotel California by the Eagles, one of their most iconic songs. I'm going to run down a really easy, simple, easy strum way to play this song. We're capoed on the 2nd fret, so that's ground 0. So anytime I call out a chord, we're going from the capo being the 0. Okay? So we start out with an A minor. I'm just going to run through the bones of the verse first. Then to an E7th, looks like this. So you got the A string, 2nd fret, the G string, 1st fret. That's your A6, or sorry, A7. And then you go to a G, regular G, and a D. And then an F to C. D minor, and back to that E7. Sorry. And by the way, these same chords happen pretty much in the chorus too, so there's nothing new thrown in, okay? It's the same chords, just in a different sequence. All right, once again, on the strum, it's like... Make a swing. There's your E7th, G, and let's go to the D now. Okay, and then we're going to go to the F. And a lot of people call that the ouch chord, but if you can do it really simply just by going to the D3, G2, and B1. And if you just hit those notes, you can get away with it. If you must leave this open E string ringing, it sounds a little weird, but it won't make a lot of sense until you bar that. So try to get that 1st fret on the high E2. Okay? Then right to a C, easy change. Then you go to your D minor. To E7th. Now let's go to the chorus, shall we? So the chorus starts out on an F chord. There it is. Then a C. Then you go to D minor. Then it does a little A minor. And there's a walkup, okay? I'm going to give it to you right now. Sorry. So the A, A2, 3, open D, D2. Slow motion. And then the next note is an F again. You come down on that chord, okay? Let me run through that. F. Get it? Okay, so here's the chorus once again from the beginning of the chorus. F. Welcome to the Hotel C, California. Then you go to your D minor. What's your place? We all know that. E7th. Or sorry. Lovely place. A minor. That's your place. And you do that walk up. Okay, you got that? So once again, here's the chorus. F. Welcome to the Hotel C. And then D minor. That's your lovely place. And then the A minor with a walk up. If you can get that move, it's cool. Back to your F. You come down on the F chord. Welcome at the Hotel C, California. Back to your D minor. To your E7th. That, my friends, is Hotel California. So now I'm going to play it from beginning to end, and you'll get the gist of it and how it goes. Try to get that. You can play right along with the record because we're in the right key. So. To the G. To the D chord. F. To C. D minor to the E7th, which sets up the chorus. F, C, D minor. Get ready for the A minor climb. To the F chord. To the E7. So you'll notice I was playing with the rhythm a little bit, and when I'm playing it live, I like to shake it loose, especially if I'm playing with someone else acoustically. This will definitely make you a campfire hero, though. Everybody likes to sing along with this song. So that's our Hotel California acoustic guitar version by me. And if you like what you're seeing, hit me up at jimmydillon.com. We'll see you over there, and we'll also see you down the road.